Hello, my friends. We meet again at last. It's been a while I haven't done the challenging. So, I'm back with another puppet challenge that I'm going to do right now. So, welcome to the 60th puppet challenge. So today, I have this Spanish and the magician that I'm going to do the 60th challenging right now. So, let's begin and we'll get started. And let's begin the challenging. So here we go. The 60th puppet challenge. Oh, so, what can I do for you, my friend? Yes, I need to find, the magician that I'm, that I wanted to, the magician to teach me as doing the tricks. Well, I am the magician. Oh! You're on! Oh, I didn't even know that. Oh, well, it's so pleasure to see you, amigo. I didn't even recognize that you are the magician. Yes, so I'm here to teach you how to be the magician. So, well, if you want to learn how to be the magician, then you better get used to it. See, I be glad to be the magician, so this way I could get used to it. Very good. So, here, I have my wand that I'm going to teach you how to use the wand. That way, you can learn how to do it. See? And that's how you make magic. Oh, that is so awesome, amigo. I never used that wand before. Well, so let me give it a try. May I, give it a shot, amigo? Sure you can, my friend. Enjoy. Oh, sí. Gracias. Gracias, amigo. Oh, apparently, I think you absolutely did it wrong. So, let me show you again, my friend, how to use the right magic wand. A la hamburger sandwiches. See? That's how you are going to learn how to use the right kind of magic. Oh, I get it right now, so let me give it a try one more time. So that way I, wanted to get it right to use the right kind of magic. Well, go for it. See? I can't do it, amigo. Could you help me again? Alright, this is how you do it. Okay. A la hamburger sandwiches. See? That's how you make the right magic. Okay, let me try it one last time. A la hamburger sandwiches. Whoa! How did I do that? You did it, my friend. You absolutely doing it right. So, keep up the good work. So, in other words, you have won the magic wand, which you are learning right now. Oh, thank you, amigo. I appreciate it very much. Oh, would you able to teach me again how to use the right magic? I absolutely will. So, go on, my friend. You are free to go, and class dismissed, and I will see you tomorrow in the next class. Oh, gracias, amigo. I do appreciate it. Oh, wait, I tell my parents that I did the right magic. Well, you getting excited, my friend. So, off you go then. Oh, gracias. Oh, wait until I tell my parents. Well, I guess he really means it, so I hope everyone will enjoy their day. So, cheers! Boy, that was really hard to do magic tricks. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, it's been a while I haven't done to do a challenging. But don't worry, the next puppet challenge will be coming up real soon after these messages. So don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. And say hello to the puppeteer. Until next time, bye y'all, and peace.